Okay, thank you so much. Welcome, students. We have to start another English class today. As you know, yesterday we did, right, exercise 1 on page 8, please, as you remember. So everybody focus on page 8, open your books, and let's continue. Okay, we have done that activity, right? But we have to take again. So that's why here, let's remember a little bit. Exercise 1. Read the interview with Serkan, a Turkish student in England. Complete the questions with question words from the box. Okay, here we have, can you see the box? Inside we have some question words that you have to use to complete this interview. So that's why let's listen one more time, students. Check your answers because we did yesterday. And when we finish, we have to practice again in pairs, okay? So that's why let's start. Again, with the transcript, as you know, the pronunciation is very important. That's why we have to listen again. Okay. Transcript 1.5.
Fourth edition, student's book.
If you didn't do yesterday, you can complete. You have some minutes. So students, I think everybody now is with your own books, right? Is it? Have you bought or not, the students? ¿Todos ya tienen sus libritos, cierto o no? ¿O todavía no lo han adquirido? Please. Okay, porque a veces pregunto y me dicen, no tengo mi libro, mis aún. Y espero que todos ya lo hayan adquirido. De repente, chicos, a veces se agota, pero por esa misma razón tienen que adquirirlo o bueno, anotarse para ir a recogerlo mañana y así. Entonces, por favor, los que aún no tienen, deben comprarlo, ¿ok? So, let's start. Yeah.
Tape script 1.5. Questions to Serkan.
Hi, Serkan. Nice to meet you. Can I ask you one or two questions?
Yes, of course.
First of all, where do you come from?
I'm from Istanbul, in Turkey.
And why are you here in England?
Well, I'm here mainly because I want to improve my English.
How much English did you know before you came?
Not a lot. I studied English at school, but I didn't learn much. Now I'm studying in a language school here.
Oh, which school?
The Shakespeare School of English.
A good name. Your English is very good now. Who's your teacher?
Thank you very much. My teacher's called David. He's great.
What did you do back in Turkey?
Well, actually, I was a teacher, a history teacher. I taught children from 14 to 18.
How many children were in your classes?
Sometimes as many as 40.
Goodness, that's a lot. How often do you go back home?
Usually I go every 2 months, but this month my brother is coming here. I'm very excited. I'm going to show him round.
Well, I hope your brother has a great visit.
Okay, students, let's listen again, please. Because after that, I'm going to choose 2 students. So that's why, okay, listen carefully. Try to copy the pronunciation. Let's start again.
Questions to Serkan.
Hi, Serkan. Nice to meet you. Can I ask you one or two questions?
Yes, of course.
First of all, where do you come from?
I'm from Istanbul, in Turkey.
And why are you here in England?
Well, I'm here mainly because I want to improve my English.
How much English did you know before you came?
Not a lot. I studied English at school, but I didn't learn much. Now I'm studying in a language.
I was trying to write, but I don't know what happened. Students and everything was also sorry. Okay, hi again. Can you listen to me? Class, hello. It's okay? Hello.
Miss, yes, miss.
I'm sorry, students. Okay, so now I think we can continue, please. Let's listen again. We have to practice. That's the thing that we are doing right now. Okay.
Why is she excited?
Because she's going to have a baby.
Tape script 1.5. Questions to Serkan.
Hi, Serkan. Nice to meet you. Can I ask you one or two questions?
Yes, of course.
First of all, where do you come from?
I'm from Istanbul, in Turkey.
And why are you here in England?
Well, I'm here mainly because I want to improve my English.
How much English did you know before you came?
Not a lot. I studied English at school, but I didn't learn much. Now I'm studying in a language school here,
Oh, which school?
the Shakespeare School of English.
A good name. Your English is very good now. Who's your teacher?
Thank you very much. My teacher's called David. He's great.
What did you do back in Turkey?
Well, actually, I was a teacher, a history teacher. I taught children from 14 to 18.
How many
times?
How often do you go back home?
Usually I go every 2 months, but this month my brother is coming here. I'm very excited. I'm going to show him round.
Well, I hope your brother has a great visit.
Okay, sis, thank you. Now, please, I need 2 volunteers. Well, let me choose Aranibar, Andrea, please. Aranibar, Andrea. No, Aranibar, Claudia. Verástegui, Claudia. Atawichi, please.
Sí, miss.
Yeah. Okay, Claudia with, let me see. Please, Pamela.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Please, Claudia, you are the interviewer, and Pamelita, you are Serkan. Okay, for all, microphone over there. Yeah, are you ready?
Yo empiezo, ¿no? Yes, miss.
Estoy en audio atrás. Esto, por favor.
Él supiera que la bebé era de él. Y que ella
What are you doing?
Ahora
Because
sí.
you have to be in my class. Okay, listen. Yeah. Please, you can start, girls.
Okay, Miss. Hi, Sekan. Nice to meet you. Can I ask you one or two questions?
Yes, of course.
If first of all, where do you come from?
I'm from Istanbul in Turkey. Turkey.
Turkey. Yeah.
And where are you here, England?
Well, I'm here mainly because I want to improve my English.
How much English did you know before you came?
Not a lot. I studied English at school, but I didn't learn much. Now I'm studying in a language school here.
What school?
The Shakespeare School of English.
Ah, good name. Your English is very good now. ¿Cómo era esto? What's your teacher?
No.
Esa parte, Miss. creo
Another
que
question word.
no lo he notado.
¿Cuál sería? Please. Come on. Who? What's the correct question word? Come on, class. We want to know the teacher, so come on.
Who the teacher,
Who,
sí.
right? Who? Who's the teacher, right? ¿Quién es la profesora? ¿Quién es tu profesora? Esa es la pregunta, ¿cierto? ¿Quién es? Who? That's why. Who's your teacher? Is the question here, right? Okay, continue.
Thank you very much. My teacher called David. He's great.
What did you do back in Turkey?
Well, actually, I was a teacher, a history teacher. I taught children from 14 to 18.
How many children were in your class?
Sometimes as many as 40.
Good night. That's a lot. How often do you go back home?
Usually I go every 2 months, but this month my brother is coming here. I'm very excited. I'm going to show him around.
Well, I hope your brother has a great visit.
Thank you, students. Very good. That's it. Okay, if you didn't do that exercise, here you have the correct answers. Okay, you can check, you can compare. Now, please, let's continue on. We have the next part, exercise 3, whose or whose, right? I know that is the same pronunciation. So that's the thing that we have to learn today, okay? Exercise 3, whose and whose sound the same. Listen and repeat. Okay, we have to learn grammar, a little bit grammar about this. Correct use of whose and whose. Okay, so let me start with the test script, please. Give me 1 minute. Okay, class, thank you. Please, let's listen, okay? Okay, please here, students, listen and check the pronunciation. Okay, it's the same. Let's start.
Tape script 1.6. Whose or whose? 1,
Whose phone is ringing?
It's mine.
2,
Who's calling?
It's my brother.
Okay, let's listen again, class. As you can see here, we have a little box, right, in blue. And what does it mean? For example, whose? Ask about possession, right? It's like the same to say, well, it means who does it belong to? That's the correct meaning or the exact meaning of whose, okay? Who does it belong to? No, en español, ¿a quién le pertenece? Siempre que usemos ese whose, por eso dice, es para el posesivo, ¿cierto? For example, whose mobile phone is that or this? For example, oh, it's mine, right? ¿A quién le pertenece? A mí, ¿cierto? So that's the correct meaning, okay? Who does it belong to? We are asking something like this. That's why here we have whose. Ask about possession, ¿ok? Entonces, cualquier pregunta que se empiece con whose, estamos preguntando el posesivo, ¿de quién, no? Now, the next, we have whose, right? And here we have to use the verb to be, is in that case, whose or who is, right? And it's different, right? For example, we have who's calling. ¿Quién está llamando? Aquí ya cambia, ¿no? ¿Quién? Queremos saber el personaje será una chica, será un chico, ¿quién será? Right? Será mi mamá, mi papá, for example, right? Who's calling? Oh, it's my brother, ¿cierto? So it's a little bit different. Okay, so now let's listen again, please.
It.
tape script 1.6. Whose or whose? 1,
Whose phone is ringing?
It's mine.
2,
Who's calling?
It's my brother.
Okay, class, let's practice, okay? Let's listen one more time. Listen and repeat. Okay, everybody?
tape script 1.6. Whose or whose? 1,
Whose phone is ringing?
It's
Please, everybody, the question, okay? Come on. Whose phone is ringing? Come on, repeat.
Whose phone is ringing? Whose phone is ringing?
Okay, whose phone is ringing? Excellent. But I only listened to students. What happened with the rest? Here I have 20 students, so I want to listen to all of them. Okay, so again, students, again. The first question, whose phone is ringing? Okay, let's start.
I'm very excited. I'm going to show him round.
Well, I hope your brother has a great visit.
Okay, let's start.
tape script 1.6. Whose or whose? 1,
Whose phone is ringing?
It's mine.
2,
Who's calling?
It's my brother.
Okay, now the second question, please, class.
Who's calling?
Come on. Who's calling? Okay. Who's calling? Right. Very good. Okay, as you can see and as you can listen, it's the same pronunciation, right? Ok, como se han dado cuenta, chicos, aquí la pronunciación es la misma, pero va a variar siempre cuando tenemos que usar, ¿no? For example, whose, don't forget, okay? What does it mean? Voy a anotar aquí, pero whose, principalmente. Remember, we use when we ask about possession. So we can say here, it means who does it belong to? Whose sería, significa. Y si lo vamos a traducir es ¿a quién le pertenece todo esto? ¿No? Esto significa ¿a quién le pertenece? Por eso para el posesivo. ¿Ok? It means who does it belong to? ¿No? The same. ¿Quién le pertenece? ¿Ok? Don't forget, students, please. Now we have to practice. Okay, please. Here we have exercise number 4. Work with a partner, choose the correct word. Okay, here you have 6 exercise that you have to choose the best option. Okay, come on class. I want to see your answers. Okay, in a minute more, I'm going to ask you. Okay, so you have to choose the correct. If it's whose or maybe whose. You have to choose the best option, depending on the situation, right? Please, you have 2 minutes for that exercise. Do it, do it.
Okay, miss.
I'm going to ask you one by one. One minute more, please, students. You have to underline the best option, the correct question word in that case, right? Whose or whose? Okay, let's check, please, students. You have to tell me the correct answer. Yeah, we have the first question, please. Can you tell me what's the correct answer, please? Cáceres, Dayana?
Okay, miss. Whose brother is coming to stay?
Okay.
El primero.
So in that case, whose with verb to be.
Yes, miss.
Okay, are you sure? Let's check, okay? Whose brother is coming to stay? Yeah, maybe, but no. The best option here is whose, the possessive, right? Whose brother is coming to stay, right? Because we want to know de quién, ¿cierto? Y en este caso, la respuesta correcta es whose. ¿Ok? El posesivo. Cuando preguntamos, ask about possession. No, ¿de quién su amigo en especial? ¿De quién? Oh, de mí, ¿cierto? De el hermano tal, digamos, right? Here we have the example. Sir Ken's brother. That's it, ¿no? Posesivo. Y esto de repente nos da una pista porque en la respuesta también va a estar, ¿no? Un posesivo. So that's it. Please, number 2, tell me, Ariana, what's the correct here? What's the correct option? Number 2.
Who's talking second? The first, miss.
The first. Okay, very good. Who's talking to Serkan? Okay, here is different, right? I think it's a reporter. Yeah, okay. ¿Quién le está hablando? No, aquí ya queremos saber quién, qué personaje será. Oh, and the answer, I think it's a reporter. Very good. Please, number 3, tell me. Fabiana?
Whose dictionary is this?
Yeah, which one? The first or the second? First or the second?
Second.
Okay. Why is the second here, Fabianita? Why? We use whose when we ask about possessions, right? In that case, whose dictionary is this? We want to know who's the owner, right? Aquí, chicos, siempre who's para el posesivo, ¿no? Para saber de quién es, ¿no? ¿Cierto? ¿Quién es el dueño de esto o algo? Siempre va a estar presente en posesivo, right? Ah, it's Sir Counts. Okay. No estamos diciendo que es de él, ¿no? Ese posesivo, can you remember? Okay. That's it. Very good. Number 4, please, could you tell me the correct answer, Natty? Which one?
The first means who's going to Ben's party.
Okay, very good. Who's going to Ben's party? Okay, I'm not, right? You know. Okay, very good. Please, number 5, could you tell me, please, Alejandra Ledesma?
The second is whose is that expensive car?
Thank you, very good. Whose is that expensive car? It's my neighbor's, right? Ese posesivo otra vez. Okay, very good.